guys, so we're actually busting a little mission right now. Pick up some wheels. As usual, I get up in the morning and I do my Facebook Marketplace and offer up, scan, and looking for deals. Came across a set, can't pass it up. So we're headed out there right now. I'm gonna go check these things out. If it's all good, grab them, and do another little video on that. Got some plans for this thing you guys don't even know about yet. So hang tight. We're headed out. We're gonna go pick up some wheels. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right. So I just picked up the wheels. I'm stoked. I can't be any happier. I can't wait to get these things on the freaking truck, man. Now, I've wanted a set of wheels from this company forever, and I especially wanted them when they still had the original name on them before they, I don't know exactly all the details, but they had to change the name for whatever reason. So I found a set. Not the exact models I wanted, but it's my second favorite and the specs that I want. So I got them. They're dirty as hell. I'm not going to sugarcoat that one at all. They are dirty, but overall quality of the wheels look like they're in fantastic shape. So I think we're going to do a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of polishing on these things. And I know you guys are all thinking, polish? You bought polished wheels? Not entirely, but you can still do some paint correction on powder coat and painted wheels. So anyways, picked them up. There's definitely a Prius broke down in the middle of the freeway. Saving the environment, people. One battery at a time. Yeah, this is a disaster. Glad CHP's just sitting in the middle of the freeway on a bike. Hey, bud. Love you and support you guys, but that's really not safe. Alright, so anyways, I was going to order these brand new directly from the manufacturer because they're kind of local. I had no idea until I tried to send them an email and it got kicked back to me, so I started looking into it. Apparently they closed the doors. Something to do with he can't focus his time to the company fully because of some medical stuff going on, which is really unfortunate. So what is already an expensive wheel and not very easy to find used to begin with, it's just going to get harder. So I've looked around and like almost nobody has these things in stock anymore, and I would one venture they didn't carry very many sets because of how much they cost, and two, they just can't get them anymore. So I know the last time I wanted to order a set, it was like 4 or 5 weeks out. I ended up going with something else, but anyways, found them. I'll show you guys when we get back to the house, and we're gonna do a full like restoration on them, and hopefully in the next few weeks we'll get them on the truck. So pretty excited, can't wait to show you guys. See you back at the house. Alright, so there are, I said a BMF 20x9 zero offset. They're called the Rehabs. So like I said, they were pretty dirty, pretty neglected, I guess you could say, when we got them. As you just saw, we did a little cleanup on them. Nothing crazy, just sprayed them down with Simple Green, let them soak. I used my awesome Harbor Freight electric pressure washer. Highly recommend that thing, by the way. We sprayed them down, flipped them over, scrubbed the insides with a microfiber mitt, soap and water, front and back, sprayed them off again, sprayed a little bit of the McGuire's ceramic hybrid wax. Thought I'd give it a try. So, definitely vastly improved. But I know there's still more left. So next I'm gonna clay bar and try to get as much of the contaminants and stuff that's stuck in the powder coat paint, whatever, out. And then I'm gonna go through with my polisher and some polishing compound, McGuire's as well, and just give them a nice little polish job on them. After that, I'll clean them again, and I'll put a thick coat of actual wax on my hand. Then I know they're not going to be perfect, they're not going to be brand new, but for what I paid for all 4 of these, I can't complain. I'm cool with a little bit of blemishes. So here they are after we cleaned them. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a little time lapse. I'm gonna get to clay barring these and kind of catch back up with you after we get done with that. So I want to show you guys this. This is after we scrubbed them, cleaned them, degreased them, and everything. This is all just the stuff that's running down after doing the clay bar. Pretty crazy. You can see in the clay bar all this brown and everything. That's just from one wheel. That's how much contaminants was stuck in it even after all the washing, pressure washing. So the only nice part about that is, means the outcome's going to be even better. So like I showed you guys, we clay barred the wheels. After that we wiped them down. I took my polisher and some McGuire's polish and did the lip, the barrel, and the face of the wheel. By no means are they brand new, but man, did they turn out nice. I only did one. That's all I'm going to show you on this video. You guys don't need to watch me do all 4. It's going to be the same process, but this will kind of give you an idea of what the outcome's going to be for all 4. And man, can't wait to see these finished and on the truck. For the money, I'm going into them a few $100s. I'll probably have about 6 hours of time into restoring or reviving these wheels. I'm totally cool with that. Totally alright with that. So. Alright, so now that I have the clay bar and the polishing and the wipe down done on this wheel, I'm going to use the Chemical Guys Extreme Top Coat Sealant. I like this stuff. It seems to last a while, and it's a good wax sealant combo, so this is what I'm going to use on the wheels. So we got a nice thick coat of that Chemical Guys Extreme Top Coat on the wheel right now. You're supposed to let that sit for a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit. I'm going to come back, polish it, pop it off by hand with a nice clean microfiber. We'll have one finished wheel. And I'll show you guys what that looks like, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the rest done, but I'm going to do that off camera. Check this out for a little comparison. Any of you guys that know detailing or anything in that aspect know paint shouldn't make noise. So I'm going to show you this. Yikes. So let's try the finished wheel. Hopefully the camera picks that up, but that is not even comparable. That is a drastic difference. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of noise dragging my hand across the metal wheel, but nothing like what that is. So we're finished. Got the nice coat of wax on there, and again, I'm super pumped on how these turned out. So show you guys what it looks like, and it'll probably be about where we finish off on this video. Next video in regards to these will be putting them on the truck. So again, I'm not going to go over the rest of the wheels on video for you guys. You guys don't need to bore yourselves watching me do the same thing I just did to this wheel 3 more times. So like I said, by no means are they brand new, but me personally, I'm very happy with how that wheel came out. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to finish up the rest, and then it'll probably be a couple weeks, and we'll do some other stuff, and I got some other things in the works right now. I'll get some tires for these, and get the truck on a leveling kit, and get these mounted on the truck, and you guys will see it all then. But for right now, there's a little video on restoring a set of OG BMF, actual BMF wheels. Still say BMF on them. They ended up changing the name to SOTA, S-O-T-A. A while back, and I wanted old school BMF wheels, and pretty pumped. Can't wait. Finally gonna have a set and get them on a truck that I'm really enjoying right now.